Thick cut smoked bacon, oven baked and crispy, served black and blue. Wait, just wait for it. Today, our famous thick cut bacon recipe. Making bacon will never be the same after this. No more sputtering bacon fat. No more cleanup of your stovetop. No more skillet caked with grease. Instead, we're oven baking. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video though. See how we serve it black and blue. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Place the thick cut bacon, about 1.5 pounds worth, onto the baking tray. We're laying each rasher side by side in a uniform manner. Now transfer to the oven and bake for 15 minutes. Take the tray out of the oven. Using tongs, we're carefully going to flip the bacon over. You can drain off any excess fat. Now for the black and blue. The black, as in freshly cracked black pepper, a nice level of spiciness to this bacon. And the blue, sprinkle the bacon with crumbled blue cheese. Return the pan to the oven. We're gonna bake until crispy, about 8 minutes more. Remove from the oven. Transfer the bacon with tongs to a paper towel lined plate. You're ready to enjoy immediately. You just gotta make it. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when bacon is this beautiful, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Try our thick cut bacon recipe. I mean, seriously, blue cheese, black pepper. Listen up, everybody. Incredible. This is so delicious.